Curious about the top destinations where mature women find the most pleasure with younger partners? 9. Countries that are hotbeds for romance and connection, where older women embrace their desires and enjoy thrilling encounters with men from all walks of life. Number 9. Brazil. At number 9, we visit Brazil, a country filled with wonder and passion. Here, the spirit of youth isn't just for the young. It's a place where age is just a number. Everyone celebrates life at every stage. Brazilian society is known for its open-minded views on relationships, especially when it comes to older women. These women are recognized for their confidence and boldness, qualities that are part of the vibrant culture. The lively atmosphere in Brazil is similar to the famous Brazilian carnival, full of color and energy, much like the women we're talking about. Studies from the University of São Paulo show that mature women in Brazil are more likely to be in satisfying relationships than those in other parts of the world. In Brazil, passion truly knows no age, making it a fantastic place for anyone looking for romance and connection at any point in life. Number 8. Australia. Now we're heading down under to Australia, a land famous not only for its kangaroos and koalas, but also for its lively, mature dating scene. Australian women in their golden years have a refreshing approach to romance, much like a cold drink on a hot summer day. Studies show that the adventurous Australian spirit plays a big role in this. These women embrace everything from sun-kissed beaches to the wide-open outback, bringing their love for life into their relationships. They don't see age as a barrier. Instead, they view it as a sign of their resilience and wisdom. Stories from Australia are filled with tales of women who have found love later in life, proving that romance is not just for the young. Whether it's a first date at a beach barbecue or a romantic getaway to the Great Barrier Reef, mature women in Australia know how to keep the spark alive. In Australia, the adventure continues, no matter your age. Number 7. South Africa. Number 7 on our list is South Africa, a vibrant nation that serves as a melting pot of cultures, each with its own unique norms and customs. When it comes to mature romance, South Africa offers an intriguing landscape. Step into the South African dating scene, and you'll discover that mature women are leading the way. It's common to see these confident ladies with multiple suitors, each eager for their attention. South African women, especially those of a certain age, are known for their self-assuredness. They know what they want and aren't afraid to pursue it. This blend of confidence and undeniable charm makes them hard to resist. Studies reveal that mature women in South Africa are among the most active daters in the world. As one researcher aptly noted, these women should not be underestimated. In South Africa, mature women reign supreme in the dating game, truly embodying the essence of empowerment and allure. Number 6. France. France, known as the land of love, is steeped in a rich history of romantic traditions. With its passionate ethos, it's no surprise that mature women here embrace their romantic lives with a captivating flair. French culture deeply values love and intimacy in all forms, regardless of age. For mature women in France, romance is akin to a fine wine. It only improves with time. They prioritize deep, meaningful connections and appreciate the journey of romance as much as the final dance. This lifestyle is woven into the very fabric of French society. Studies support this perspective, with one local saying, "We don't stop being in love because we grow old." For mature ladies in France, romance is not just an act, but an art, a timeless symphony of passion and connection. In France, love and romance truly are ageless pursuits. Number 5. Germany. Germany, known for its precision and efficiency, is also a land where mature romance thrives in the heart of Europe. Society here has a progressive view on relationships, especially regarding older women. A common saying in Germany is "Alter schützt vor Liebe nicht," which translates to "Age does not protect from love." This belief is deeply rooted in their culture and shapes how relationships are formed and developed. Numerous studies indicate that older women in Germany feel comfortable expressing their desires and pursuing companionship with younger men. This openness reflects the country's respect for individual choices and its modern attitudes toward love. With its rich cultural tapestry, Germany presents a unique landscape for mature romance, where love doesn't age but only improves. In Germany, age is just a number when it comes to matters of the heart. Number 4. Italy. Italy, renowned for its fiery passion, considers love and relationships the spice of life. In this enchanting country, mature women are celebrated for their allure, wisdom, and experience. They embody the concept of la bella figura, which emphasizes not just physical beauty, but also charisma, poise, and sophistication. The Italian view of mature love is akin to a fine wine, improving with age. Numerous anecdotes and studies reveal that Italian men, regardless of their own age, find mature women irresistibly attractive. They appreciate these women's confidence, knowledge, and ability to engage in meaningful conversations. A study from the University of Rome found that men in relationships with older women reported higher levels of satisfaction and fulfillment. Researchers attributed this to the maturity and life experience that these women bring to the relationship. In Italy, passion truly knows no bounds, and love flourishes at every age. Number 3, Spain. Spain, a land known for its fiery passion and vibrant flamenco dances, is a country where mature dating flourishes. The Spanish culture, deeply rooted in open expressions of affection and social interaction, creates a welcoming environment for mature women to engage actively in the dating scene. Spanish societal norms encourage women to age gracefully and to express their sexuality freely. It's common to see older women arm in arm with younger men, both enjoying the lively atmosphere of Spanish life. As the saying goes, a man is only as old as the woman he feels. Various studies reveal that mature women in Spain are confident, assertive, and unafraid to express their desires. Whether sipping sangria on the beach or dancing the night away, these women embody the energy and spirit of the festivities. In Spain, mature women truly represent the heart of the dating scene, bringing passion and joy to every interaction. Number 2, the USA. Just missing out on the top spot at number 2 is the USA, a land of freedom and possibilities that embraces the idea of mature romance like no other. In the United States, the term cougar transcends its meaning as a North American big cat. It has evolved into a symbol of empowerment for mature women. These women refuse to let age dictate their love lives. Instead, they take charge and have become a vital part of the American dating scene. A study by the University of Colorado Boulder shows that older women are more likely to enjoy their relationships and are less concerned about their partner's status compared to younger women. In this society, experience and wisdom are highly valued, and age is regarded as a badge of sophistication. In the USA, it's not about chasing youth, but rather embracing every stage of life. Here, age truly is just a number, and mature women are celebrated for their confidence and vitality in the world of romance. Number 1, Japan. Finally, at number 1, we have Japan, a captivating country known as the land of the rising sun, where mature women are not just participating in the dating scene, they are leading the way. Japanese culture, with its blend of tradition and innovation, has empowered these women to embrace their desires with confidence. Imagine a society where age is merely a number and maturity is considered an asset rather than a drawback. It's akin to a fine bottle of sake. The older it gets, the better it becomes. Studies have shown that mature Japanese women are some of the most active participants in the dating world, rewriting narratives and challenging societal norms. There's a Japanese saying, kumoku, which means love is blind. And here, it seems that love is not only blind to age, but actively celebrates it. These women are fully aware of this and have taken it to heart, creating a ripple effect that is transforming traditional views on dating in Japan. In this environment, mature women are redefining the rules of the dating game, making their mark on the romantic landscape.